In this video, I will show you how to link your YouTube account to Discord. So I'll show you how you can do this on the Discord website, but you can also follow along on the mobile or desktop app. So first go and open up Discord. Then what you want to go and do is click on your account in the bottom left. From here, click on Edit Profile. That will take you right here. Now from here, you want to go and click on Connections. Now here you will see some available connections, but YouTube will not be in here, so click on the View More right here. And then all the way at the bottom right, you will see YouTube. So go and click YouTube and then select the Google account that is associated with your YouTube channel. Then here you can select what Discord can access, so they can see a list of your current active channel members, their level, and when they became a member, and they can view your YouTube account. So click Continue. And now you have connected your YouTube account to Discord. So that's how easy it is. Now just close this window. And now in your connections, you will now see YouTube right there. So now you know how to connect YouTube to Discord. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.